Hey guys, Leo here. Today I'm gonna be playing Subway Surfers. I hope you enjoy. If you like the video, please give me a like. That really helps. Please support my channel. And without further ado, let's hop into this. And also, please subscribe. Tell me if you don't like the music for this game. I kind of like it. Amistrdan. Okay, that guy looks stupid. Yeah, I got the starboard. That'd be nice. Might get that sometime. Nope. Okay. So yeah, like I said, let's hop into this. I was trying to start beating the freaking highest score in the world because I got a pretty high score. As you can see over there, I'm probably never gonna get that far again. Unless I have like 50 of those freaking hoverboards. Yeah, see, I only have 37. Oh! No! Get away from me, fat dude. Dang, the trains look a lot nicer than in the Christmas version. I just gotta admit, the graphics, how it looks is a lot better. Nick Jonas. Dang, I still have like half of my time. Let's just go crash into a train, bro. Yeah. Dang, 2 letters of Nick already? Dang. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get those windmills because last time they did this with the penguins on the holiday season, and if you got all 25 of the penguins, then it gave you 25 hoverboards. But I'm thinking this time it's gonna be a ton of head starts. That's what I'm thinking it's gonna be. Ooh, nice score multiplier. Oh, dang, times 14, bro. Nope, now it's times 7. Ooh, the C and Nick. Nice. Ooh, I keep getting these. I don't see why, though. Give me a reasonable one. Give me a reasonable explanation. Yeah, this has been easy so far. Ah! Come on, I swear that fat dude cannot really hop trains. I know that for sure. He's too fat. He too fat, bro. He too fat. Ooh, windmill. Yeah, see, I'm thinking I'm gonna get 10 head starts. If you don't know what head starts do, they let you go like 2,000 to like 2,000 or like 2,500 for a normal one. Like, that's what they do. They just send you farther from the start of the match, which is what they do, which is pretty nice. But if it gives you super head, I'll be pretty happy if it gives me a super head start. I'm not confirming that it's gonna give me a head start, but like, that'd be pretty nice. And there we go. We got 3 windmills out of 10. Ooh, nice. We got a mystery box. Ooh, huh, nice. Ooh, let's double up. Okay, just a cheap video. Just be a minute, guys. Just wait. Making a YouTube video.
Angry Birds 2.
Okay, guys, tell me if that picture is not funny. I think that is pretty funny. Okay, so let's keep doing this. Hey, at least I got like 8 videos.
I'm gonna hook my channel up to the Xbox One.
You could do a cast.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
What does that do, though?
So don't hook your channel up to the Xbox because my videos are gonna be on the Xbox. I'm gonna start doing like GTA 5 and stuff.
I'll do Call of Duty. Yeah, guys.
We can't hook both of our channels up to. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah, we could do both of them. It's just you can't do them at the same time.
Yeah, exactly. But I don't want to have to keep putting it in. So.
Bro, I'm gonna use it sometime. I mean, I gotta use Call of Duty.
No, I'm taking Call of Duty then.
Or I'll just use another game.
Yeah, like what, Rayman? Nobody likes that game.
Sorry, my big brother's trying to show off his channel. Oh, wow. How stupid.
You better quit. I'm not trying to show off my channel. Although my channel is like 5 times dead than yours.
How many subscribers do you have?
1.
That's only Anthony.
Wait, no, I think I have 2.
Yeah, and they're all people you know.
No, they're not.
How many views do you have? How many views do you have?
Like 12 per video. So, get right.
Yeah, except you only have 3 videos.
Let's see. I have 2 views, 2 views, 6 views, and see what else. I don't know how many subscribers I have. I have at least 1.
Okay, so yeah, we got 2 windmills on that one actually. That's pretty nice. I really like this texture though for the game. Texture is nice. If you guys want to help me get like better apps to make me do better videos, that'd be nice, cause like I know my YouTube quality isn't that good. Like 1080 FPS or something. I forgot what it's called, but like it's like 1080 or something. Very crappy. Well, yeah, that's gonna be the video for today, guys. Please subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Please leave a like, support my channel. And that's it for you guys. See you guys later. Bye.